This week we are doing one of my favorite breakfasts. So the ingredients are lobster, English muffin, eggs, miso paste, lemon, unsalted butter, scallion, garlic, Japanese mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, panko, and parsley. Okay, so the first thing we want to do when doing this recipe is to prep the lobster. And we are lucky, as you can see here, we have 2 female lobster. So those eggs are delicious. We will keep them and then sprinkle it on top of the final dish. Okay, so we have the lobster and the lobster's eggs. So for this recipe, to make the crab cake, we need to roughly chop the lobster. And make sure you remove this part on the lobster. This is his anus, and it's full of caca. We need some garlic. Alright, so we have the garlic, the scallion, and here I have some ghee butter that we will cook those in. You can use regular butter as well, but the ghee butter is good for those who are lactose intolerant. So put a healthy amount. Healthy mean a lot. Put the scallion. We will cook those in the butter for about 3 minutes. Here there's some fresh parsley that I just picked up from my fine herb garden. Remove this from the heat. Put the lobster meat in this. Put the parsley. Put this in a mixing bowl. To this we will add half a cup of Japanese mayonnaise, which is called quippy, and 1 big tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Add some salt and pepper. For some reason this egg is already cracked, so add 1 whole egg and mix. So the egg and the mayonnaise will help all of this to bound to each other. And now, as you can see, this is way too much liquid. You might say, hey bro, you messed up. Don't worry, got everything on hand. Here I have some breadcrumbs, panko. So about 1.5 cup. Woo! What I told you, the panko is getting all the moisture in it, and now it's the perfect texture. So let's put this in the fridge for 30 minutes because it's kind of warm. We want it cold to make the lobster cake, and up to 3 hours. Whew. Okay, now it's time to form the lobster cake. So make a nice disc like this, and in the panko cook the lobster in the batter like this. I will not cook all of these. You can save those and freeze them in plastic wrap. So that's what I will do. And don't ask me why I bought 3 lifetime of plastic wrap? I don't know. Now take 1 English muffin and toast it with just a little bit of butter. Don't go nuts with the butter. Okay, so the bread is ready. I like it like this. In that little saucepan, let's put a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and we need 4 egg yolk. So keep the white. With the egg yolk, let's put some lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of miso, which is rich in umami flavor. The miso itself is really salty, so just put some pepper. Now crush this and put it right on top of the boiling water. Add the butter a little bit at a time. Really just a little bit. If your Hollandaise is too hot, the egg yolk will cook and you will end up with a scrambled egg. And there's no coming back from cooked egg yolk. If you put your butter too much at the same time, you will have a broken sauce. And you don't come back from a broken Hollandaise sauce as well. So you need to whisk and add a little bit of butter at the time until it thickens. Alright, so create a vortex just like this and put the egg in the middle so the white will go all around the yolk and it's gonna be beautiful. So this is it! A lobster cake, Benedictine with Hollandaise miso sauce. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you will try this at home because it's a bomb. If you like this, please leave a like on the video. It makes a huge difference on the channel. See you in the next episode.